A jewellery shop in Telangana's Zahirabad has reported the theft of a 70-gram gold chain, allegedly by a group posing as customers. The incident took place on August 16 at Jai Bhavani Jewellery. Police are now examining CCTV footage to identify those involved. According to the complaint, 4 women wearing burqas and a man wearing a cap entered the store. They reportedly asked the staff to show them nose pins. While the employees were attending to the group, one of the women allegedly diverted their attention. The group then left the shop with a gold necklace weighing around 70 grams, police said. The shop owner noticed the necklace was missing after the customers had left. A check of the CCTV footage confirmed that the chain had allegedly been stolen. The owner subsequently approached the police and filed a complaint.